Today, let's dive into a recent mysterious event that has captured headlines and sparked a plethora of conspiracy theories. I'm talking about the tragic helicopter crash that claimed the life of Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and several others. What really happened in those foggy skies over northern Iran? Let's explore. First off, the day was shrouded in heavy fog, a notorious peril for any pilot. Helicopters in particular are vulnerable to bad weather conditions due to their need for clear visibility and stable air currents to operate safely. Now, amid swirling rumors and speculation, some have pointed fingers at potential sabotage. Conspiracy theories targeting rivals both within Iran and from other nations. However, let's consider the facts and the more likely scenario. Helicopters' reliability heavily relies on regular, meticulous maintenance. Given the sanctions imposed on Iran, maintaining these aircrafts can be more challenging than usual. Could it have been a mechanical fault due to this? It's possible, but there's no solid evidence supporting this claim either. So what are we left with? Considering the conditions and the broader context, it seems more plausible that this was a tragic accident influenced by the weather, and not some covert assassination operation. It's crucial to approach such sensitive topics with a rational and evidence-based mindset, especially in turbulent times when misinformation can easily be spread. In conclusion, while it's natural to seek immediate answers when tragedy strikes, sometimes the simplest explanation, like adverse weather, is the correct one. Let's remember to think critically and question responsibly. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.